what a campaign it's been. The most anticipated, where the entire India from Chandni Chowk to Chennai had their eyes trained particular contest. And a contest what political dreams are made of. Kiran Bedi versus Arvind Kejriwal. Well, who will Delhi choose today? Well, we'll know come the 10th of February, but by 6 p.m. till the last person goes into vote, that is when we know who will Delhi vote. Trust headlines today to keep you one up with all developments. I have my colleague Rishika Barua. She's joining us right on top of our India Today office in Connaught Place. She has a vantage position. I'm in front of Nirman Bhavan. The reason that why I'm actually here, a part of the New Delhi constituency, is because that high-profile voters would be coming in to cast their ballot. It's locally considered a VIP booth there. We're going to have Sonia Gandhi, Kapil Sibal, Sheila Dikshit, Prabhat Jha, all of them coming in here. But the constituency is concerned, it's a hard-fought battle. It is Kejriwal versus from the BJP, Nupur Sharma, and Kiran Walia from the Congress. I myself would like to go and vote, and that's one thing we're going to tell our viewers, especially in Delhi. Do go out there and vote today. Make yourself count, because it is important. Rishika, you know, in terms of security, Delhi's never seen security like this. The action began the day election results were announced, one day when we saw that mini riot in Tughlakabad between the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP.
Well, absolutely, Preeti. It's been a campaign like no other, like you've been pointing out. Everybody from Chandni Chowk till Chennai has had their eyes trained on this really high-octane, vitriolic and a very violent campaign that has in fact been launched by the political parties. The most recent clash, in fact the first clash actually, was reported from Tughlakabad after the election was announced. The BJP worker allegedly disrupted a TV show where an Aam Aadmi Party leader was in fact giving an interview. Since then, minor clashes of course have been sporadically reported between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party, and last evening there was yet another clash that was reported from Model Town, which is the most recent clash. And of course, Preeti, that attack that you broke to us this morning in Gonda, where the car of the BJP leader was in fact attacked. There has also been a lot of accusations, counter accusations about the seizure of liquor. This election, like there is in every other, the Election Commission has, remember, warned of violence while the dates were announced. At that very press conference, the Election Commission came out and gave a warning of expecting this campaign to be a violent one. And of course, there have been intel inputs that have been received about the possibility of violence. A number of security personnel on the streets have been unprecedented. Now, if you're a commuter on the streets of Delhi, whether you're in the metro, traveling by public transport, or driving on the streets of Delhi, you would have noticed that there has been an unprecedented kind of security cover that the national capital has seen. There have been, of course, exit and entry points to the border that have been, that has seen heightened security, railway stations, airports, and of course CCTV cameras that have been installed everywhere. So clearly, it's been an election like no other. It's been an election campaign like no other, and we journalists on the ground have of course enjoyed ourselves thoroughly covering this election, from leaders losing their voices to us periodically losing our voices. It's been a really fun election, and in the next half an hour, it's when Delhi goes to vote until 6 p.m. This evening. So get out, get in, send us your selfies, and we of course will play them here on Headlines Today. The most comprehensive coverage of polling day continues on